Demo, yeah, the demo, the first iteration, I kid you not when I tell you, it took about 5 minutes, and the prompt was basically generate an app that uses Gen AI to render 3D objects using, and I specified using WebGL, right? And the first version worked. It gave me a cube on a 3D plane, and then from there it was refinement. So in terms of prompting and everything else, me with zero experience in WebGL, and I think that's important to note. And frankly, I'm not a big JavaScript or TypeScript lover. I just kept prompting and said, well, let's add this. Let's add a, I don't know if you noticed, on the upper right hand corner, there was actually a three-dimensional compass, right?
Yep.
Allowing me to view my orientation. And then I asked it to place a grid as well. And I kept enhancing. And every time there was a little bug, I said, well, it looks like there's an error here. Can you fix it? Right. And Gemini Pro was able to do that. So I started building this today on Sunday. On Sunday afternoon, and I just spent about an hour on it then. On Monday, I spent a couple more, I'm going to say about 2 or 3 more hours, and that's about it. I haven't substantially touched it since. There was one minor tweak I wanted in terms of like a default setting, and that was it. So about 3 or 4 hours worth of work for somebody with no actual, 3D experience.